Your friends want you.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Christine. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how you guys can create kind of like this voluminous, effortless, wavy hair that lasts for a couple of days. Best part about it is that I didn't tease or backcomb. So in case you guys are new here, consider subscribing, as well as don't forget to hit that bell notification. Turn on those post notifications to be notified when I upload new videos. Let's jump right into the video and I will share with you guys why my hair is full of volume. So today I just let my hair air dry. When my hair is still damp, I like to apply OGX Nourishing Coconut Milk Anti-Breakage Serum, which contains coconut oil, coconut milk, and whipped egg whites. A little small dollop of this right onto my ends area. I use just a few products and also a drugstore curling wand. This one is from Remington. I love it because it's pink. It's tapered, so it's 1.5 inch up here and then it tapers all the way down to 1 inch at the bottom. It's digital. You can change the heat settings and you can actually turn this up to, I guess it heats all the way up to 410, but I'm gonna turn this all the way down to 356. I'm gonna use the Garnier Fructis. This is the Flat Iron Perfector Straightening Mist. Now this says straightening mist, but it is a heat protectant up to 450 degrees. Just brush it out to distribute all of the heat protectant. So we're basically just parting the hair down the middle. Normally I like to start on this side because I have some bangs, wrapping everything away from my face. So putting this pretty close to the roots, but we're gonna leave probably about an inch and a half at the end, and we're gonna leave this on for a few seconds. And I kind of like to wiggle the hair back and forth. And there we go. So it has this little end that's sticking out. Start from the front and then work my way all the way to the back. And we're just gonna wrap it around. So we're basically wrapping it around the 1.5 inch part of the curling wand and then leaving about 1 inch to 1.5 inches at the ends. And just moving the curling wand back and forth. That's what I've been doing to achieve volume and to have the ends kind of piecey like this. It doesn't all necessarily have to be small sections. You can take larger sections as well. Trying to really get this as close to the roots as possible, but you want to hold this at an angle. Don't want to have it straight. You want to have it at an angle and just moving it back and forth. Just like that.
I know, you know, I've done nothing wrong. You can't help but try to write me off. You won't let me have it all. But I want to show you I want you, 'cause I can feel you hesitate. And I want to show you I want you, and I can feel that you're afraid.
I think this side is pretty much complete. I'm gonna work on this side now. So we're actually going to use the secret weapon. This is from the brand Kenra and it's the dry texture spray. So it gives your hair just a ton of texture and it will even hold through humidity, through heat, through sweat. It holds your hair in place. It's not flaky. It smells like strawberries. It's really fruity. If you touch your hair, it's still very touchable, but the best thing about it is that it doesn't flake. Lift it like right by the roots and we're just gonna spray it. And this will give it tons of volume. This is like a little extra Kenra Silkening Mist. It's a brilliant shine spray. And again, it has that really nice fruity strawberry scent, but just adds like a bit of shine, and it's just a mist you can put on top of the hair. To tame any flyaways, I've been using this Hair Levy. It's a polish, protect, and tame serum. Really huge fan of Hair Levy. So what I'll do is I'll just take a tiny bit of this and just tame a little bit of the frizzies. Take your fingers right by your roots just like this. Wakes up the product, and then you end up having just tons of volume without having to tease your hair or back comb it. You guys, the finished hair, let me turn all the way around so you guys can see the hair all around, but I love the way how it looks. you guys enjoyed this really quick tutorial on how to achieve volume and these tousled waves. I love the way how this looks, and it's so super easy to achieve. I'm gonna link all the products I used down below in the description box. If you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure you smash that like button, as well as don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, turn on those post notifications, and make sure you guys check off the box which says all to be notified of all my new uploads. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys check out the videos right over here. You might enjoy those as well. Thank you guys as always so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.